Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Honda Accord oil. First, gather your tools: a 13mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure your car is on a level surface and the engine is cool to prevent burns. You'll also need about 4.5 quarts of new engine oil and a new oil filter, specific to your Accord model. Now, let's drain the old oil. Slide under your Accord and locate the oil drain plug, usually a 13mm bolt, on the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly beneath it. Carefully loosen and remove the plug, letting the old, dark oil flow completely into the pan. This usually takes about 10 minutes. Next, we'll replace the oil filter. Locate the old filter, often near the drain plug, and use your oil filter wrench to remove it. Be ready for a small amount of oil to drip out. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Then, hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, followed by an additional quarter turn. Finally, let's add the new oil. Reinstall the oil drain plug and tighten it firmly. Locate the oil fill cap on top of the engine and pour in approximately 4.5 quarts of new engine oil. Replace the cap, start the engine briefly, then turn it off. Check the oil level with the dipstick and look for any leaks underneath the car.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.